Okay, so now we'll see properties window under. So again, I'm just showing from the beginning how to create a ASP.NET application. So please listen carefully, those who missed in last few days. Okay, so first step, create a new project. Okay, select language as C#. Select platform as what? Windows. So others, please go on mute. So just click on web. Okay, now next. So here you can give application name, and here you can give application path wherever you want to save. Click on next. Okay, so now click on create. Okay, so you guys are clear right up to here. Now what we need to do, we'll get a few windows like so here the most important parts for web application is the first one is solution explorer, toolbox, and error list. So see, for example, if toolbox is not here, then where can we get that? Go to view toolbox. If you don't have solution explorer here, then how can we get that? Go to view somewhere solution explorer. Okay. If you don't have error list, then what we will do? Go to view error list. So like this. Okay. Oh my god. This one, this .NET Core application selected. Okay. Fine. So no, so this is okay. Now, what can we do here? Just if you want to add a web form, just right click on the project, add. What is this? Web form. Is this VB? Okay. Anyway, we don't write any code, right? No problem. Yeah, it's VB. Good catch. I don't know who is that, but very nice. Bhaskar, very good catch. Okay, fine. Maybe your Vishwas are did not wake up properly today. Okay, so click on new project. This time we will select everything. So when I have filtered here C sharp, I don't know why VB came again. Web application, web application. Okay. So this time it is C sharp, Windows, web, everything. Okay. So everything is matching for us now. Click on create now. So empty and click on create. Done. So this time we went everything. I mean, we followed the process. Okay. So now we got it right. So now what I will do, I will just show one example, but don't note down that one or something like what we can do with that, how the ASP.NET application output, how the design will look like, everything I will show now. Okay. So, but anyway, so I will show, see from now onwards, our thing, so every day we'll discuss about ASP.NET programs only for some days, right? So don't confuse or something, just see. So now we add web form. So then what will happen? I'm adding just default name of the web form. I added now. So now what we will get here? We'll get two things. One is ASPX and one is ASPX.cs. So this ASPX is nothing but for writing our HTML code, and ASPX.cs is useful for writing what? Business logic. Okay. This is the ASPX is also known as code behind code, and ASPX is known as HTML related code. Okay. So now here we have a few important things. One is toolbox, solution explorer, and one error list. Okay. So and we have a few more important things that are available here. So the first one is, like, so here we have a label. What is that? Label. So label. So what is this label? I will explain. So those people who ever completed Windows form, that Windows form, so this will become very much easy for them. Those people who did not completed their Windows form, maybe it will be little tricky for initial days, but anyway, no problem. I will take care. So see, I'm just dragging and dropping off a label. So see here, so just drag, drop, that's it. You're not writing any code for this. You're not doing anything. That's the reason people are saying ASP.NET is easy, ASP.NET is easy, ASP.NET is easy. Because of this only. So now, where is this text box? See. Okay, now what I will do, I will keep one button here. Now people will tell, sir, what is this button, sir? What is this text box, sir? Okay, so now I will show you show you guys some magic now. Controls. Okay, these are all ASP.NET controls only. Okay, username, password, submit. I want to modify like this now. So simple. Now this label is there, right? Right click on it. Click on properties. That's it. Now here the text is there, right? Make it username. Okay. So I have separate notes for this. I will give. Okay. Wait for some time. Now right click on label, properties. Tell me where we need to change password. That's it. Okay. So similarly, right click on button, properties, submit. That's it. So sir, I want to add some color for this, sir. Yeah, we can happily add. Okay. So here so many colors we have. See, so that BG color, BG image, all these things. See, now if you, I'm just saving here and see source, we got it now. Yes or no? See back color. Okay. So, but we are not writing any code here. That's the difference. That is what the magic here in ASP.NET. Okay. So people got it. Any questions? So what we done here? So can I do that from beginning? Can I show that again one more time? See, if people don't speak, I don't know. So I can continue with my things. Then if someone is not understanding, then how would I know? So yes, tell me. So can I call someone? Akshay? Yes. Backspace. So if someone is having issue like, so if ASP.NET is not showing for them, you need to see, you need to modify your Visual Studio. You need to modify your Visual Studio and you need to include the ASP.NET features. Then only you will get the ASP.NET. Why? Because so when you are installing your Visual Studio, you may miss to check the ASP.NET related checkboxes. That's the reason you may not get all those things. So see here, I have the screenshot with me. So see ASP.NET web development, .NET desktop development, you need to check all these check boxes. Then only and this one also, .NET multi-platform app UI development, this one. And in the right side, all the ASP.NET related check boxes you need to check, like you need to check, see like this. Then only you will get .NET related .NET related ASP. It's fine. So now I'm just going back here. Okay. So simple. What I will do now? Tell me. So now, now I will delete this label and text box here. Now tell me what will happen now in the design. In the design window, what will happen? Yeah, I will wait for your answers. See, my teaching will definitely will depends upon your answers only for sure. So why? Because Wasim, so Wasim, you are here from last 3 months. So that is purely based on people's interest. So I'm not wasting time. You cannot use that word. So why I will waste time? So it's not wasting of time. So if you want, you can note down. If some people, so people ask me to give the notes. That's why I always give the running notes. So it's my responsibility. So those whoever, if you want, you can take the notes. Otherwise, you don't take that. You can take the screenshot or something. Okay. So you are there from last 3 months, right? How can you tell I'm wasting the time? So if you have doubts in C sharp, if I did not teach something well, you can question me. I will definitely answer that. Okay, fine. So see, and one more thing, once I share my book, I don't give notes for everything. See, programs I cannot see. One thing I can tell, programs I don't encourage the people to take screenshot and practice in your laptop, or I don't encourage the people to, I never share my program with anyone. Why? Because so if I share the program, then what will happen? People will simply copy paste the code and they will keep in their Visual Studio and they will simply execute those programs. Then what will happen? So that means you are testing my code, right? So my code in the sense, whatever I wrote, I executed those things. Those programs will execute. Why you will copy paste and execute again? So there is no need. So, right. So that's the reason I always, if it is wasting time, if it is something else, XYZ, whatever it may be, but so I always, what I will do, like, for programs and all, I will give sometime 10 minutes or 5 minutes or half an hour. Why? Because so whenever you are writing the program, so one time practice will be done there itself. Okay. And the second time, whenever you are writing the program on your own, then what will happen? So see, then what will happen? So you can practice those things. You will get so many errors. You will get so many doubts. That's how people are asking me. People are interacting with me. Okay, that's how people are interacting. People will interact with me and they will ask me, "Sir, I'm getting this error. Can you please help me?" Then I'm helping them. So if I gave all the programs, whatever I have in my notepad or whatever I'm executing in my class, so then what will happen? Simply copy paste. So then what you will learn? So this is a kind of, in US or Bangalore, somewhere. So people will follow same like this. So like copy paste or something. Then what will happen? So nothing you will learn. Okay. So I don't encourage that type of things, and purely so and one more thing. See, I did not expected this kind of comment from you, Wasim. So I thought you're doing well and you're excellent in terms of all the questions and answers and all. Okay. So that's the reason I never share the uh, programs and all. But see, if it is so for some important topics, like, see, so toolbox, definitely people need to note down that one, and for the labels and all, you need to note down that one. Then only you will understand and you will remember all those things. Okay. Okay, fine. So see here, yeah, correct, so many people answered correct. So whenever we delete all those things, so we will lose all those things in our design page. Okay. So now see, if you want to get some control here, simply go to view toolbox. Okay. So now here, label. Okay, got it. So what is this label? So I have separate concept for label. I will explain there. But for now, I can tell it's a caption. Okay, it's a caption for our text box or button or check boxes, anything. Okay. So now the label. Now we can drag and drop text box. Okay. So, and after that, we can drag a few more text boxes. Sorry, I can copy paste this one. We can paste here. See, I'm just I'm copying here. I'm pasting here. And after that, what? Button. Okay. Okay, done. So now, so how to change this one? Right click, properties. Here you can keep user name. That's it. Done. Now similarly, right click, properties, password. Done. So now right click on this button also, click on properties and make it submit. So if someone can ask me, "Sir, we are changing the properties for a label and button only, sir. Can't we change for text box?" Yeah, we have so many options for text box also. See, all these things belongs to text box. So I will explain everything. Okay. So everything. So like, in our book, if you people see here, I will show you guys. So where I will explain means, okay, just for understanding purpose, now I'm telling. So see, for initial 6-7 classes in our ASP attempt, we need to go very, 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 very slowly. So Manikanta, almost I explained 20 times how to create a web form. Today only I have explained for 5-6 times. So when I am asking any questions, you are not why you are not asking or why you are not mentioning, sir. And I want to know. So see, when I'm telling, if you are joining late, it's not my fault. So you need to join the class by 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. First point. Or if you miss yesterday's class or tomorrow's class or yesterday's class or day before yesterday class or something, I'm not responsible for that. You should be responsible. You should have that interest for that. So or you can, if you are opted for videos or something, or you can request our admin for videos, they will provide. See, my job is to teach you .NET, and my job is to train you .NET with perfection, with real time. So job oriented, confidence, everything I will take care. Remaining all those things, our admin only will take care. You can connect with him for videos and all. Okay, so people see here, this is what text box, this is what label. So I have, like, these are some properties for our text box. So ID, see, this ID will never leave us. And see, text mode, single line or something, password and all. So, and max length, everything. So see, whatever the important things we need, I already kept here. So I will explain them in our upcoming sessions. Okay, for now. So see, for example, if you want to write APP apple spelling, then how we need to write that one? Initially we need to learn the alphabets. People agree with me for that? So once we are perfect with alphabets, then slowly we will start writing APP apple, B for ball, C for cat, like that. So similarly we are doing the same here. Okay. Okay, so now properties window. So what is the use of properties window? This is used to set the properties for form controls like font, height, width, back color, everything. So how to get the properties? Right click on control, properties. So example, so if we have text box, now what we can do here, right click on text box, click on properties, then all the properties will come. So people see here, so here text mode. See, now I will run. So we wrote something here, but we did not run our application, right? I'm just running our application. Okay. Prasanna, so you joined in that group, WhatsApp group. So then join. I just shared that link, right? Okay. So people see here. So please follow when I'm telling. Okay. So for whenever I'm telling or whenever I'm saying something, please follow everyone. So guys, I created one WhatsApp group for our 6 to 7 conversations. So Santosh, how many people? Already 25 people joined in that group, Santosh. Okay. So I shared the link. Okay. So again, I'm sharing the link in the chat. Okay. So please join. So we have 56 people actually. So maybe I will wait for today and tomorrow, so that all the people will join in the group. After that, I will share the book. Okay. I will share C# also if needed. Uh, so going forward, after some sessions, I will explain about interview questions and all. So we'll discuss some interview questions also. At that point of time, I will definitely share those interview question documents also. Okay. Okay, got it. So I just shared Santosh in the chat. Okay. Okay, so and those people, if someone is not having my phone number, this is my phone number. Okay, done. So can I move back to the program? Okay, I hope you have taken. So this is how we'll get the web page. So see, if I keep something here, XYZ. So now see, this password is showing like a text only. But usually in websites, how it will show, it will be like password. So star, star, star. So how can we get that? Simple. Now right click here, properties. What you can do here? So here, text mode is there, right? Just make it password. That's it. Sir, I want to apply some color to my label, sir. Yeah, you can happily apply. Where is that back color, fore color, border color, all these things. See, I don't know you guys' favorite color, but I'm applying something. Background color also you can apply. Okay. And for form also we can apply. So somewhere, don't know where is exactly them, but you know, okay, anyway, we'll see. Okay, fine. So this is all. So we can adjust right, left, or something like. So now see, this is all. Now what will happen? People tell me. So now we made this text box into password type. So see, in Windows Forms we cannot change the text box size, but here we can change the text box size. See, we can drag like this or drag like this or something. Okay. So this one also. Okay. Now once run the application. So, are you guys clear with everything? So, Manikanta, don't worry, I will explain again. Okay, this is so see. Okay, so see, we got it, right? Yes or no? So we can see here also. Okay, so got it now. So similarly, we have different types of properties. See, max length, min length, so many things we have. We are going to discuss them. Okay, so see, max length. See, then what will happen if I include this max length? Only that number of characters will be allowed. So see, like that. And we have different types of validations will be there. So where is that validation? See, like compare validator. So password and confirm password comparison, range validator, regular expression, required field. So if you want to keep some field as mandatory, then you can keep this one. So different concepts we have. Everything we'll see. Okay. So got it now? Any questions? So Manikanta, so now you can see now. Okay. So now, okay, I will unmute you, Manikanta. Manikanta.
Yes, sir. Vikram.
Uh, yeah, Manikanta. So every time this is I mean this thing will happen between you and me. After
Yes,
completion of that,
sorry for
you will ask.
disturbance.
Uh,
Sorry for disturbance, sir.
no problem, Manikanta. So fine. See, right click on web application. Okay. Now click on add. Okay, Manikanta, clear? So, and after that, you need to click on web form. That's it. If you click on OK, then it will be added. So we can have multiple web forms also, like see. So we added like this. Clear now? Or you want me to show one more time? Yeah, Manikanta. So I'm unable to hear you if you're speaking also. Sorry? I'm unable to hear if you're speaking. Okay. So you can message in the chat. So, but anyway, I'm explaining one more time. Okay. 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 So, but anyway, I'm just saying one more time if someone missed. Okay. See, right click, web application, add, and here you will have web form option. So, okay, click on OK, then web form will be added. That's it. Got it? So, anyone still have question? Please tell me. I'm ready to explain. Okay, so fine. So I hope I'm taking it as no then. Okay, so see, so now see up to now we have. So now I will ask. Can I ask some questions? Yeah, that's what we created, Kiran. See, this is web form 1, web form 2, right? So like that we can create multiple web forms and one page to another page redirection we can see. For example, ADO.NET program, so we have done some days back. So what we are doing there, we are registering the users. After successful registration, so what we will do, when you click on login, so it should get the username from database and it should get the password from database. When you click on login, if the credentials are valid, then it will take us to home page, something like. So all kind of things we are going to see in future. And see, I will explain few things and I will ask you guys to do some project. I will so under my guidance I will definitely do that. So give me 10 days. So by May 15 or something we are going to do one project. Everyone will do one project. Okay, so but if you follow me, everyone will do that project on your own. So maybe you will ask me for small things, maybe you will ask me help for small things, but everyone, the people who joined here, everyone will get that output. So you will have, so that's what I promised you guys. So once you leave this session, so you will have almost equals to 2 to 3 years of real-time experience. Okay, so fine. So can you guys note down this one? Properties. Okay, events also I will tell you. So Padmavati, I am not, I mean, I will explain that. So the code and all I will explain. So I'm just showing the example only. So once we read, once we go there, then definitely I will explain. Okay. So we are not reached up to that point. So I'm just explaining. But anyway, this run equal to server is nothing but ASP.NET is a server side application. So that's the reason all the applications will run on server side. So to represent that, we need to keep always run equal to server. Okay. But anyway, that is a separate concept. I will explain. Okay, got it. So yeah. So yeah, someone raised hand. Krishna, tell me.
Time text box level input password, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, show me one time text box input type password.
Okay, so you want to see that HTML or you want to see the design? See this one.
Hmm.
You don't need to note down anything for this one, Krishna. So why? Because just understanding purpose I gave, but we are going to see programs on that after one or two after 2-3 sessions. We are going to see some real-time examples and all. So for now, you don't need. So I will give time. You people don't need to worry. So I will give time for everyone to write the things and to see. For example, this design is that I will ask you people to design this one. So then I will give some time for that. So you don't need to worry. So you don't need to write for now. See, this is, I'm just showing how ASP.NET application will work. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Fine. Okay, you can mute yourself. So, and see, in our properties, if you click on properties, Yes, Usha. Usha or Prasanna, I don't, Prasanna or Usha. So see, okay. So yes, answer for your question is yes. So see here, that's what I told, na. So whenever we are changing something here, whenever we are changing properties, it's a two-way pendant. So now see here, what happened? It came, right? We did not wrote this code, right, Usha? We did not wrote this code, but still we got it. Okay, got it. So please ask me questions. I'm ready to help you guys. You know, so that when you are getting questions and when you are asking the questions, then you will get more interest towards the subject, and also you will get more confidence towards the subject. Okay, fine. Fine. So, thank you. Thank you for that. So, yeah. So, see, but see, one thing with me. So, if someone disturbed me or someone stopped me in middle, I will forget what I was teaching or something. So, okay. So now, yeah, I'm going back to properties again. Okay. So now click on properties. So here we have one more thing called events. So like this is also one type of important only. So these events are specifically for different type of events, like page life cycle related. So how the events will render, how the events will perform different type of actions and all, it will tell us. So that events also one of the important window. So okay. Okay, so how to open, how to launch events means simple. So now right click on events, right click on text box, properties. Here this symbol is events. Okay, and if you click on this one, we'll get all our normal things. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so now, sir, do we have events or properties for only labels and text box only? Sir, can't we have for button? Yes, we will have. Click on properties. So see here, we got the things. Sir, what we will have for button? So many things we have. We will see them in our future classes. So this is events. Okay, so clear now. Okay, so for example, if you want to connect with the SQL server, then we have one option called Server Explorer. Server. Where is that? This one. So here, from here, we can connect to our SQL server. Okay. So like in ADO.NET, when we are performing grid view operations and all, so that time we need to connect with our server. I will show that in future. Okay, in upcoming sessions. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So the most important theory is completed here. So just note down. See, the problem with ASP.NET, nowadays ASP.NET, no one is teaching outside. Okay, you don't get better materials, you don't get the better articles nowadays. Why? Because it is outdated, and so no one is teaching ASP.NET. They are directly moving to MVC. But ASP.NET is one of the key things for whenever you are learning .NET. So we definitely needs to go through the ASP.NET basics. Then only we'll get some perfection in terms of development. That's the reason I'm teaching ASP.NET for 15 days or something. Not all the concepts, but some of the most important concepts, whichever is needed. Okay, please, from properties to this events. Uh, Bhaskar, are you done with the Windows application? Okay. I mean, in C sharp, right? So in C sharp, we have a concept called Windows application also. But okay. So Bhaskar, see that Windows application or desktop application. So they're building for small applications only. We have some features in that, but they are all limited features. Okay, but in ASP.NET, it's it's web applications we can develop, so they can be available in internet and all. So we have wide features and extra features here. So many options available here. So we can implement mobile applications and Windows applications, and so different kind of applications with our ASP.NET. So that is different, and this is different. So is the training at your place? It's raining since yesterday here in Hyderabad. What about you guys? Okay. Okay. Microsoft Visual Studio editor, madam. Ritika. So home sin. So much rain. Was it for you also? Okay. Hi sir, I am unable to drag and drop controls. Okay. Saujanya, can you share your screenshot with me later part of the day? Okay. So Usha, so I have one question. My friend started creating API with the help of Swagger in .NET. After this, do I need to take any other training? Yeah. So Usha, so if they are using this web API or something, we have web API concept covered here. So you can go with Fiddler, or you can test those things by using them. So you can create APIs here. So because we have a concept called web API. So I will explain that. Okay, please confirm me once you are done with this few lines. Santosh. Okay. So hello sir, can you please share steps to download and install SQL Server? So Divya, yesterday I have shared, right, Divya? So can someone, whoever copied, please share that in that group so that everyone can take the directly. Yeah. So Santosh, see uh, what I am telling. See openings on .NET. So one thing I can say, Santosh. So until this world exists, so until this world exists, so the software will be there. So why? Because see, nowadays, now you only tell me, Santosh. So For example, nowadays what is happening? So even for buying a milk packet for 20 rupees, or this tea for 5 rupees, or this boy's favorite, this 12 rupees Paytm, or 19 rupees or 18 rupees Paytm in pawn shops and all. So how we are doing? So previously, some 4 or 5 years back, what we used to do? So we were doing like, so we used to give our money, and later people started swiping. Okay, but now what is happening? See, I have seen, so nowadays I'm seeing in this kirana shops and all, for 2 rupees lollipop also, lollipop, and something also they are scanning with their phone pay or Google Pay or something. Okay, so that means, so then who implemented the phone pay? So software people only implemented. Okay, that Google Pay IT people only implemented. Okay, the next step, the next point for the same, similarly the next point. So for example, if so in India, what is happening? So maybe banking job is the most most preferred job, maybe, or something like. Okay, so for that, for doing that banking job, what we are doing? So they are using the applications only, our application, internet application. So sometimes when we are going to these banks and all, those people are saying like, so server down. What is server down? That means software is not working. So for suppose, if all the softwares did not work for one day in the world, then what will happen? So if WhatsApp doesn't work for one day, or Facebook doesn't work for one day, and all the social networking, no internet, nothing, then do you people will live for one day? No. Then who the hell are implementing all the software related things? Are who the hell who are implementing or developing all the web applications and all? That means IT people only. So I don't know about the olden days, but nowadays, without the software or without the applications and all, so people cannot live for sure. Okay, now this is one thing. Okay, the next point I can tell you. So people are saying recession is coming, people are removing employees from the companies and all. Yeah, okay, fine, no problem. So now, so if they are removing everyone in the world, then who is coding? So the people who are sitting inside this huts or something, in they are sitting in front of these trees and all in the villages and all, and they are saying like software is down, software is down. Those people are going and coding the code in night time or something. So whenever we are leaving the offices and all, those people are going to our systems and they are coding something and they are doing the miracles. No. So we people only. So if those people want to do some survey on some land registration, so they need a software, they need an application, they need to do that in application. So who coded that? Software people, IT people. So if you want to book a bus ticket, train ticket, or if you want to buy something nowadays like Amazon, Flipkart or something, all these things, from where we got it? So software. So see, whatever we are doing from morning, early morning, to the night when you are sleeping, up to that point, without software we cannot do anything for sure. Then why the opportunities in software or IT will reduce? Okay, and the answer for your question is software is green field. Okay, so the identity of software never will get reduced. Okay, so trust me, we will have bright future in software IT. And coming to .NET, see, there is nothing good and bad in IT. Like Java is good, .NET is good, PHP is good, Python is good, everything is good, and see, there will be projects on Python, there will be projects on .NET, there will be projects on Java. So because we are learning .NET, so only projects will be on .NET. I cannot tell. If I tell like that, then that is I'm telling lies with you. Okay, but we'll have openings on everything. Okay, So the IT is the evergreen field. See, if you want to earn money, as my 6 to 7 C# student knows, like, so they already knows this story, but still in 3 ways. The first way, so movies become a hero. The second way, politician. And the third way is IT. Movies. See, we have, like, their children, their grandchildren, and their grandchildren, that is completely occupied. And so we have enough heroes, and I don't think our face will be suitable for hero. And the second way is politicians. So if it's, I mean, the politics was already filled with so many politicians. Okay, fine. So there is no vacancy there also. And the only one thing, final thing, is IT, which shoots for us. See, the person who is having 3 years of experience is getting 10 lakhs of salary. I'm not degrading any government job, but still, people trust me. I'm telling true. The best job in India, government job, whatever we have, those people will, when they will reach the 1 lakh salary, means at the end of their career. Yes or no? End of their career. But here in IT, if you reach 3-4 years of experience, you will reach 1 lakh salary. Okay, I'm not degrading government job thing or something. There will be security and all, but still, that's what I feel personally. Okay. Fine. So this is what. So I hope I answered your question. Santosh? Yes, Alia. So I think you are joining. So if you are a full stack student, there we have UI technologies related, right? There they will teach the Bootstrap. So Bootstrap, it's HTML related framework. So when you use Bootstrap features, then so that will take care of, you don't need to write separate code for mobile, and you don't need to write separate code for web applications and all. That will take care of all the things. So resolution and all, it will take care automatically. Yeah. Alia, you got it now? Okay, so fine. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. We'll see some more exciting, examples and all. So we'll meet tomorrow.